The Scudo Bath Clack Waste with Overflow is the ideal finishing piece for your luxurious bathroom. Its impeccable design gives your bathroom a contemporary look, and the slotted bath waste is a modern addition. Its superior chrome finish adds a touch of modernity to your bathroom's design. It's not just a waste, but a fantastic piece of art that complements your style. Cleaning is a breeze without the inconvenience of traditional plugs or hard-to-reach areas. It saves time, functions well, and maintains the cleanliness of your bathroom. This all-in-one beautiful package allows you to indulge in luxury with the Scudo Bath Clack Waste with Overflow, embrace modern elegance, and enjoy the relief of simple cleaning. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Bath Wastes range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.